Exercise 6.2. First problem, verify the following. Yesterday we did two problems. It is third problem. Cos 90 degree equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. So we have three equalities. So first you can take this one, cos 90 degree equal to, what is the value of cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree equal to 0. So you know that, take this as 1. Next you can take this part. 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree equal to 1 minus 2 into sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. You know here we have square, so square. Then 1 minus 2 into, then square root and square will be cancelled, so 1 by 2. Cancel it. What will you get? 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So take equation 2. Third one, this part. 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1 equal to 2 into cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, then square. That is equal to 2 into square root and square will be cancelled. 1 by 2. So here 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. So 2 into 1 by root 2 square minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to, cancel it. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation number 3. So from equation 1, 2, 3, we verified. That's all. Next problem, sin 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree sin 60 degree equal to sin 90 degree. First you can take this part, that means LHS, left hand side, equal to sin 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree sin 60 degree. That is equal to, sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Then cos 60 degree value is again 1 by 2. Plus cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Then sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Multiply the both. 1 by 2 into 2, 4. Plus multiply the both. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 into 2, 4. Then 1 plus 3, same denominator, 4. 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. So LHS we have 1. Take as equation number 1. Take the RHS. RHS equal to sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree value is 1. So from 1 and 2, verified. Okay. Good morning students, it is your maths class. I hope you all learned that formulas. Using that formulas, we are doing some problems. Next one is exercise 6.3. Find the value of the following. Cos 47 degree by sin 43 degree the whole square plus sin 72 degree by cos 18 degree minus 2 cos square 45 degree. So we have to find out the value of that. You know sin theta and cos theta are complementary angles. So any one of sin theta or cos theta, we have to apply the value. Here the same, any one of sin theta or cos theta, we have to apply the value. You know the value of cos 45 degree. Okay. Using the ratio table, we can apply the value of cos 45 degree. Solution. Cos 47 degree sin 43 degree the whole square plus sin 72 degree by cos 18 degree the whole square minus 2 cos square 45 degree is equal to, I am going to apply the formula in numerator. So cos 47 degree value is sin 90 minus 47 by sin 43 degree the whole square plus, here the same numerator I'll apply the value. So sin 72 value is cos 90 minus 72 by cos 18 the whole square, then minus 2 into cos 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. You have square, apply the square here. Then subtract it and tell me sin 90 minus 43 is 43 degree by sin 43 degree the whole square plus cos 90 minus 72 is 18 degree by cos 18 degree the whole square minus 2 into 1 by root 2 square. So root 2 into root 2, that is 2. And cancel it one time plus 1 time square minus cancel it 1. So 1 plus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. This is your answer. Second problem is cos 70 degree by sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree by sin 31 degree plus cos 30 degree by sin 90 minus theta minus 8 cos square 60 degree. So you have to find out the value. So these two are complementary angles. Then here you know the value of 60 degree, we can apply the value here. Okay, solution. You know any one of numerator or denominator, you have to apply the value. I choose the numerator. So cos 70 degree, I can return as sin 90 minus 70 degree by sin 20 degree plus, again I am going to apply the value. Cos is here, so sin 90 minus 59 degree by sin 31 degree plus sin theta equal to cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, denominator also sin 90 minus theta, then minus 8 cos square 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2, then square. Okay, equal to, then subtract it, sin 90 minus 70 20 degree by sin 20 degree plus sin 90 minus 59 31 degree by sin 31 degree plus cancel it 1 minus 8 into 1 by 2 square value is 4. Then cancel 1, cancel plus 1, already plus 1 is there, then minus 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 into 1 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 minus 2 equal to 1. This is your answer. Third problem is turn 15 degree, turn 30 degree, turn 45 degree, turn 60 degree and turn 75 degree. Look at that question. Sum of the turn values we can find using ratio table. Sum of the turn value we can use the complementary angles. Look, you know the value of tan 30, tan 45 and tan 60. Also here you have tan 15 and tan 75. Add this 15 and 75, you will get 19. So any one of these two you can apply the complementary value. So I can choose this to apply the formula, complementary angle formula. Solution. After solution, just write the question. Tan 15 degree into tan 30 degree into tan 45 degree into tan 60 degree into tan 75 degree. So tan 50 degree formula is cot 90 minus 15. Then tan 30 degree formula is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree value is 1. Tan 60 degree value is root 3. Then there is no change, just keep as it is. Next, cot 90 minus 15. So cot 90 minus 15, 75 degree. Then it is in multiplication, we can cancel. This in numerator, denominator, we can cancel. So into 1 into tan 75. Already you know the relation between tan and cot. So cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. This one here we are going to apply. So 1 by tan theta value is 75 degree into tan 75 degree. Cancel it. Answer is 1. Okay. Next problem is cot theta by tan 90 degree minus theta plus cos 90 minus theta tan theta secant 90 minus theta by sin 90 minus theta cot 90 minus theta secant 90 minus theta. So here some angles have theta, some angles are 90 degree minus theta. So I am going to apply the formula, complementary angle formula only for this 90 minus theta. I'll keep remind this theta. I'll apply only the value of 90 minus thetas. So here when you take this cot theta, I didn't change because this is theta. So I'll change this term 90 minus theta is cot theta plus. It is 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Tan theta there is no change. Just write tan theta. And secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta by sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Then cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Then you can cancel it. Cot theta, cot theta. Here tan theta, tan theta. That is equal to, this value is 1 plus sin theta into 1 into this cosecant theta we can return as 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta value is 1 by sin theta divided by cos theta into 1 into secant theta value is 1 by cos theta. So don't forget it. Cosecant theta value is 1 by sin theta. Secant theta value is 1 by cos theta. Next, 1 plus, you can cancel, it is in numerator, it is in denominator. So 1, there is no numerator in the whole, then can cancel it 1. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2, it is your answer. Next section, method of using trigonometric tables. First one, example 6.11, find the value of sine 64 degree 34 minutes. So I have to read this like this, 64 degree 34, this dash is known as minute. So we are going to use tables. So in your book you have some tables, page number 242, 242, 43, 242 is natural sines, then 244 is natural cosines, then natural tangent. So there are 3 tables. Can you see that? Sine table, cos table and tan tables. Our question is sine table. So we are using sine table for this question. Let's see the table now. All of you turn your page 242. It is natural sines. Both sides have natural sines. So it is degree. Starting from first 1, 2, 3, 4, then continuation, then it is degree. These are minutes. Look at the minutes. The minutes are given as the multiples of 6, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, up to 49. Here 1 to 5 is mean value. Mean value means here you don't have some numbers, isn't it, in between that? So students, this is your question. Example 6.11, find the value of sine 64 degree 34 minutes. So we can return this as sine 64 degree 34 minutes is equal to sine 64 degree 30 minutes plus 4 minutes. Okay. Why we are splitting this 30 minutes? Because look at the table. The minutes are written in multiples of 6, 0, 6, 12, 18, 30, 24, 30, 36, etc. up to 54. So we should split the minute with the related values. So 34 is near to 30. So I split this 30 minutes plus 4 minutes. Now we can find out the value of sine 64 degree 30 minutes. So degrees are given here. So now 64 is here. Then find out where is 30. 64, 30. So this is your value. This value 64 degree 30 minutes. Your value is 0.9026. So this is the value of sine 64 degree 30 minutes. Then plus, then mean value 4. So we can find out the mean difference here straightly here. So it is 64 degree, mean value 4. It is mean value 4. The value is 5. So where you can add the 5, the mean value 5, in the last digit you can add 5. Plus, it is mean value. This is sine 64 degree 30 minutes. So just add it. 1309. So this is your answer. The question is sine, so you should turn the natural sines. Suppose the question is cos. In that next page you have cos values. We can take the value from the cos table. Your next question is find the value of cos 19 degree 59 minutes. So it is cos, so turn the cos table, that is in page number 244, cos, natural cosines. Okay, so how can you find the value? It is natural cosine. We need cos 19 degree 59 minutes. So we can split this as cos 19 degree 59 minutes equal to cos 19 degree 50. Look at that table. It is split as 0, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 up to 54. There is no other value. So write 54. Remaining. When you subtract 59 minus 54, remaining is 5. It is mean value. Okay. Now take this value and find out the value. Cos 19 degree 54 minute is equal to, how can you find the value? Listen. It is the table, degree. It is 19 degree. Then where is 54? Last. So this is your value. Your value is 0.9403. Then mean value is 5. Mean value is equal to, so it is 19 degree, mean value 5 is 5. Here we have one rule in this cosine. Numbers in mean difference column to be subtracted, not added. So this is mean difference, different value. So you should not add it. In cosine table you should subtract, cos table you should subtract it. So when you subtract, what will you get? 9, 10, 13. 13 minus 5, 8, 9, 3, 9, 0. This is your answer. Next problem, example 6.13. Find the value of tan 70 degree 13 minutes. So it is tan. So turn the page 246 and 247. There you have tan table. So we can write this as tan 70 degree 13 minutes equal to, already I told you, you have to split that minute. Tan 70 degree, it is 13 minutes, but in our minutes table there is multiples of 6, which is the nearest value, 12. So plus 12 minutes, turn 70 degree 12 minute plus 1 minute. Now we can take this value. Tan 70 degree 12 minute is equal to, here you can find out the degree. 70 degree 12 minute. So this is your value, 12 minute, 2.7776. 2.7776. Then one value, mean difference 1, equal to 70 degree 1 value is 26. So add the 26 to 0872. This is your answer.